Welcome to Civil Engineering Online. Subject is Concrete Technology. Module 4 Concrete Mix Design. Topic Concrete Mix Proportioning using IS 10262. So in this video, mix design for prepare a concrete mix design for M20 grade of concrete, which is having a design stipulations as first. Characteristic compressive strength required in the field at 28 days is 20 megapascal Newton per mm square. Maximum size of aggregate provided as 20 mm. Angular will be the size. Degree of workability is given as 0.9 compacting factor they have given. They have not provided us the slump in mm. Degree of quality control is good. Type of exposure is mild. Test data for materials. So to prepare M20, what material has to specify the properties? Its properties: specific gravity of cement 3.15, compressive strength of cement at 7 days, satisfies the requirement of IS 269-1989. So the compressive strength of cement, usually what we have after the 7 days, it has to satisfy as per IS 269. Specific gravity of coarse aggregate 2.6, specific gravity of fine aggregate 2.6. Water absorption: coarse aggregate is having 0.5 percentage of water absorption and fine aggregate is having 1 percentage of water absorption. Free surface moisture which is present in the concrete materials. So coarse aggregate is having nothing, nil, and fine aggregate is having 2 percentage of the particular moisture content. So going to the remaining part given in the question, sieve analysis results. So coarse aggregate is conforming to table 2 of IS 838. Fine aggregate is conforming to grading zone 3 of table 4 IS 385. As per the data given in the question, we have to prepare a mixed proportion for M20 grade of concrete. So solution, first step. So step number 1 is target mean strength. Target mean strength for a specified characteristic cube strength is given as FCK dash plus FCK plus 1.6 times S. So the value of this and the formula FCK dash is provided in IS 10262-2009 on page number 2, and value of S is also known to us from IS 10262-2009 table number 1 of page number 2 for M20 grade of concrete is also available. So FCK dash, when we consider FCK as M20, that is 20 plus 1.565 multiplied by S as 4. How we took this 4, I will just show you. So this comes out to be 26.6 MPa Newton per mm square. It is the strength, the target which we have to achieve after 28 days of curing period. The table number 1 as per IS 10262 here which is showing. So grade of concrete is showing and assumed standard deviation, the value of S is shown. So for M10 and M15 3.5 we have to take the value of S. For M20 and M25 we have to take the S value as 4. M30 to M55, whichever grade of concrete is there, for that the standard deviation S value will be remaining as 5 only. And one note they have mentioned that whether there is a deviation from the above values in the given above table shall be increased by 1 Newton per mm square. So any deviation which we are going to make with the mixed design part, so somewhere there that we have to increase it by 1 Newton per mm square in the standard deviation. Moving to second step, selection of water cement ratio. So water to cement ratio, we have to select the second step. Maximum water cement ratio considered as 0.55. Maximum it is taking from IS 456 table number 5 page number 20 of IS 456. This part we have to remember if we are going to do with the mixed design part only. Taking the water cement ratio as 0.5, which is less than 0.55. So this is the maximum water cement ratio and we are considering 0.5. So there is well within the range we are taking the water to cement ratio value as 0.5. Maximum value of water cement ratio is to be remembered and reduced as per the grade of concrete. So how the grade of concrete is increasing, the water to cement ratio is going to decrease. So now the M20 grade we are considering it as 20 and the M20 grade of concrete is having water to cement ratio as 0.5. So assume if I take water to cement ratio means the grade of concrete as M30. So water to cement ratio I have to reduce it by 0.45 or 0.4. If I add a super plasticizer or something which can make a concrete workable, then we have to reduce still more water to cement ratio. So that I am mentioning can be taken less for higher grade of concrete also. So we are adopting, so this problem is adopted water to cement ratio as W bar C, that is water to cement ratio as 0.5. So further calculation will be with water to cement ratio as 0.5 only. So this is the part of particular IS 456 what is giving, where the degree of workability and slump formed where the workability is achieved. So our condition comes into this part, the lowest workability is there, mass concrete lightly, and this which we are going to consider for beams, walls, plinth, floors, and this part. So low degree of workability, the slump is going between 25 to 75. And this is the water to cement ratio graph. Usually what we have to remember, this graph, based upon this graph, this particular maximum water cement ratio is considered usually. So M20 grade of concrete, so this is at 0.55, exactly it comes out to 0.5 only, but we can consider it as 0.55. So for the results very good, we are taking it for 0.55, it will go high, but 0.5 here I am taking for the M20 grade of concrete. So this is M20 grade of concrete, 20 Newton per mm square compressive strength of concrete. Here at 0.5 I am taking the water to cement ratio as a 0.5 in this problem. Moving to next step, selection of water content. So we have determined the water to cement ratio. So based upon that we are able to calculate what is the quantity of water also. So maximum water content we have to consider now. So from table 2 of IS 10262 2009 page number 2, the water content for 20 mm aggregate nominal maximum size aggregate and sand conforming to grading zone 2, water content per cubic meter of concrete is 186 kgs, 186 kgs or 186 liters, both are same, we have to consider the water quantity. In this, for change in values in water cement ratio, compacting factor and sand belonging to zone 3, the following adjustments are required. So the following adjustment what we have to do, so increase in the compaction factor is there, 0.8 we can take it as 186, if it is 0.9, so there is an increase. So how much it is increased, 0.1 part it is increasing in the compaction factor. So water content of percent, 3% we have to increase to 186 kg. So 3% of 186 we have to add, that will become as percentage, therefore water content equal to 186 plus 186 of 3%. So it comes out to be total 186 plus 5.58, which is equals to 191.58. So say 192 kg what we are going to consider as the water content in the concrete mix. So this is the table where we are going to have the particular selection of water content per cubic meter for concrete for normal nominal maximum size of aggregate. So size of aggregate is provided 10 mm, 20 mm, 40 mm. So maximum water content how much we have to take in kg is 208 for 10 mm, 186 for 20 mm, 165 for 40 mm of aggregate we have to consider. So water content corresponding to saturated surface dry aggregate we have to consider. This is given as per the saturated surface dry aggregate values. Moving to step number 4, determination of cement content. Now we have water to cement ratio, water content, and now we will find out what is the cement content. So water to cement ratio we are having 0.5 based upon the water content available. Therefore, the cement content will become as 191.6. So I have taken it nearly about 191 divided by 0.5, which is equals to 383 kg per meter cube, which is greater than 320 kg per meter cube. The cement content is adequate for mild exposure condition. So it is mild exposure condition, it is well above, it is not less than that particular requirement. So from table 5 of IS 456, minimum cement content for mild exposure condition says is 300 kg per cubic meter minimum cement content, so which is well above the minimum range. So that part we can say here. So this is table number 5, minimum cement content for maximum water cement ratio and minimum grade of concrete for different exposures with nominal weight aggregate of 20 mm nominal maximum size. So here mild exposure is there. So this part is plain concrete. So under mild exposure we don't have a grade of concrete in plain concrete. So under mild exposure we are having under reinforced concrete. As I mentioned, the slump is also taken, means the compaction factor is also considered for the particular beams, columns and footings consisting only, which comes reinforced concrete. Minimum grade of concrete is M20. So for minimum grade of concrete is maximum free water to cement ratio is how much? 0.55. We have taken 0.5. Satisfied. This is maximum. Minimum cement content is how much? 300 kg per meter cube. So we are taking it as 383 kg per meter cube. So well above the minimum range. So we are easily having safer side of mixed design. Moving to step number 5 of the mixed design. Proportion of volume of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate together we have to do. But we have to calculate amount of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate based upon the quantity. From table 3 IS 10262 2009, volume of coarse aggregate corresponding to 20 mm size aggregate and fine aggregate of zone 3 for water to cement ratio of 0.5 is equals to 0.64. So this is from the table 3 of IS 10262. Free surface moisture given in question is having 2%, which is entrapped air. So this will be present in aggregate only. So either it is in coarse aggregate or it is in fine aggregate. So total volume of concrete will be 1 cubic meter what we are going to prepare, mixed design. We can again multiply that cubic meter of the concrete and find out how much is the particular part of concrete. So due to presence of free surface moisture, the volume of concrete is equals to 1 minus 2%. So 1 is cubic meter I am taking and 2% is reduction, which is entrapped wet concrete. So 1% when I reduce 1 minus 2 divided by 100, it comes out to be 0.98 cubic meter of concrete now, 0.98 meter cube. Hence, volume of concrete becomes as 0.98 meter cube. 0.9 meter cube. Therefore, volume of coarse aggregate is equals to 0.64 into 0.98. So this 0.64 I have taken from IS 10262. I will show you. So this 0.98. So therefore the volume of coarse aggregate comes out to be 0.627, saying it as 0.63. Therefore, volume of fine aggregate will become as 0.98 minus 0.63, the coarse aggregate volume. So, remaining part will be the fine aggregate volume, that is 0.35 cubic meter. Now, this is the table 3 of what I have taken the 0.64. Volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate for different zones of fine aggregate. So our zone of fine aggregate is zone 3 and maximum size of coarse aggregate is 20 mm. We are having the value of 0.64 as the volume of coarse aggregate per total volume of aggregate. So this is the value which I have taken from this particular table, that is IS 10262. Moving to step number 6, mix calculations. So I have to do the total mix calculations. Now I have got all the volume amount. I don't know what is the amount of material in kgs. So that I have to find out now. That is called as mix calculations. From IS 10262 to 2009, page number 6, it is providing some mix calculation for some other grade of concrete. So volume of concrete is how much? 0.98 cubic meter. Volume of cement, how I have to calculate? It is mass of cement divided by specific gravity of cement multiplied by 1 divided by 1000, which will give me in terms of cubic meters. So mass of cement is 383, specific gravity of cement is given in question 3.15 into 1 divided by 1000. If I do, I will get the volume of cement as 0.121 cubic meter. So this is volume of cement which we are adding. Similarly, volume of water is equals to mass of water divided by specific gravity of water. So 1 divided by 1000, again converting into cubic meter. Now 192 liters, that is 192 kg, I am taking the water, and specific gravity of water is 1 only, so that 1 gets cancelled. So 192 divided by 1000, so answer comes out to be 0.192 meter cube. So this is the value of volume of water. D, volume of chemical admixture if anything is present. In this problem we are not having any chemical admixture, for that reason I have made it in red color. So I am not adding any volume of chemical admixture. If it comes, this step is to be included, which is superplasticizer at 2% if we consider. Not given, not computed. So in this problem it is not given, we are not going to calculate it. So by mass of cementitious material it was. So what is the cementitious material? Based upon that 2% we have to calculate that. Next is volume of all in aggregate. Volume of all in aggregate. So aggregate total all we have to consider, that is A minus B plus C plus D we have to take into this consideration. So this is volume of concrete, this is volume of cement, volume of water and volume of admixture, anything is present. So here this part D is 0 for us. So 0.98 minus into bracket 0.121 plus 0.192. So the value comes out to be 0.667. I have rounded it off to 0.6 meter cube, that is whole volume of aggregate. So this volume of aggregate we are considering. Now mass of coarse aggregate is going to be calculated. So mass of coarse aggregate is calculated equal to E. E is this naming of volume of all in aggregate. So E value comes out to be 0.6. This E is that part. And volume of coarse aggregate, which we have calculated earlier, multiplied by specific gravity of coarse aggregate given in the question, multiplied it by 1000, comes out to be cubic meter in terms of kgs. So this comes out to be 0.6, this value multiplied by 0.63, the volume of coarse aggregate, into specific gravity 2.6 into 1000, the conversion to meter cube to kgs. So I get the mass of coarse aggregate as 982.8 kgs for 1 cubic meter of volume. The 1 cubic meter volume is this part. Moving to further part of the mix calculation, mass of fine aggregate, similarly same as coarse aggregate also. So substituting the values, 0.6 into 0.35 into 2.6 into 1000. So answer comes out to be 546 kg of fine aggregate we are going to use. So we have determined the volume of coarse aggregate, volume of fine aggregate, mass of fine aggregate, mass of coarse aggregate. Chemical admixture is not given, we are not calculating. Mass of water we have calculated. We have calculated the mass of cement also. Now comes the mixed proportions for trial number 1. So this was the trial number 1. We can change the trials by changing the water to cement ratio, which will change the whole trials, which will change the whole amount of materials which we are using in the mixed proportion. So I am taking it as trial number 1. You can change with the part of water cement ratio, taking it as 0.55 or 0.45, what values you are able to find out. So cement is 383 kg per cubic meter, water is 192 kg per meter cube, fine aggregate is 546 kg per meter cube, coarse aggregate is 982.8 kg per meter cube. So now mixed proportions which I have to find. So mixed proportion is what? So to find mixed proportion, water is how much? 192 divided by cement value we do. So it is 0.5. Cement is 1 we have to take. Then fine aggregate comes out to be fine aggregate weight divided by cement weight, which comes out to be 1.42. Then coarse aggregate 982.8 divided by 383 weight of cement. So this comes out to be 2.56. Now finally this mixed proportion, how we are writing? So usually we able to get the mixed proportion in terms of like this: 1 is to 1.4, 2 is to 2.56. So 1 is what? 1 is cement value. 1.42 is what? The cement value. How much is that? Multiplied by this value we will get the value, that is quantity of fine aggregate. Then 2.56 is what? If we multiply with the cement multiples in terms of 2.56, we are able to find out what is the total quantity of coarse aggregate used in the particular mixed proportion. So M20 grade of concrete is having 1 is to 1.42 is to 2.56 mixed proportion. So similarly, you are able to have to generate any other part of mixed designs which can be useful for the work and all things as the practice is going to happen. Thank you for watching the video and understanding it. So for this, the provision of codes are available in the descriptions. The codes will be provided for you in the descriptions, as I have already provided the mix design code 10262 in my earlier video. You can also go with this. So some more problems I will be continuing for the mix design. Thank you so much.